And I came across this bakery where they were just frying pastry right in the middle of the street, and they had a lot of people just waiting to buy it from there, and it was all freshly being made as well. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna come here and just sit down a little bit just to see them actually make their pastry and actually try some as well, because it looked really delicious as I was walking by. I don't normally eat fried stuff, but this one here, like, I have to try it out. And before trying it, I just thought to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna see them actually cooking it, frying it, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, just sitting down with them and just watching them how they make it, and seeing all the customers all come in, picking up the food as well. It looks tasty, so let's continue watching them cook it, then after I'll try some as well. Nilisa.
Yes.
And this shop here is your mom's shop or your parents' shop?
My parents.
And where is your parents right now? Are they?
They are at home.
They are home. Okay. And you just came back from school?
Yes.
Okay.
From college.
Okay, so before you go home, you just help as well with the cooking.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay, Nilisa. Can you tell me the name of this? What is this called?
Malpa. Okay.
You like this?
Yes, very much.
This is our Nepali traditional food.
Yes, that's why I'm buying it. So yeah, the good thing about this place being around the side of the road where you can just come here for your motorbike.
I come this area, you know.
Yeah.
I'm from little far, you know. I come daily to roaming, you know. And I like to eat this for little bit.
Very
if
nice.
I didn't eat, I'm not satisfied to go back. Even in night, I'm feeling, oh, I miss my food.
Yes.
Which country are you from?
UK, London.
You're from London?
Oh,
Yes,
London,
yes,
Great
London.
and Brilliant.
Yes.
Who rule the world?
Now
No, my country is Congo.
Oh,
Kinshasa.
Congo.
Yes, Kinshasa, Africa.
Congo.
Yes, but I live in London. Yes.
I know Congo, I've heard
You know
it.
Congo? Yes.
I know Congo.
Central, in the middle of Africa, Central Africa.
So what you shooting is for a documentary for your personal?
My personal travel vlog.
Oh.
Yes, because in Nepal, I want to show a different side of
Yeah,
Nepal.
this is, you know, this is a special food. Sel roti.
So roti.
Sel roti is a
Sel roti.
traditional special food.
Which one is your favorite? Which one?
This is favorite.
This
food.
one is your favorite?
This is favorite for all Nepali.
Oh,
All
nice.
Nepali know this roti.
Yeah, yes.
Paul Boreko roti.
Oh, wow. This one is my favorite.
Paul Boreko Malpa roti. Usually only Newari people like Newari.
Newari people like it.
Yeah, Newari food. This.
Oh, I like
This
it.
is chips, you know.
Yeah, chips.
Both
Yes.
chips.
This is my favorite. This one here.
Oh, yeah, it's a nimki.
Yes.
It's a sweet.
Sweets. Okay.
It's a salt.
Yes, I like
Sweet
it.
and salt.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Have a good time.
Same to you. Have a good day.
For a long time here in Nepal.
3 months.
Oh,
Very long.
Long time.
Yes, very long.
Oh, you exploring?
Yes, exploring everything.
Oh,
Okay. Thank you for
good
that.
man. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, Nepal namaste.
Namaste.
Oh.
Thank you. Namaste. Your shop is very popular. Many customers come here.
Yeah.
Wow. So the name of this, what is this called?
Malpa.
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 Malpa. And this
Bisrupe.
and this one here?
Jelly.
Jiri.
Yeah, jelly.
Jiri.
Yeah.
I'll try to remember. Which one is your most popular food here? No,
Mine?
the most popular.
Oh, this is my own shop, so I don't like that much.
Oh, you don't like that much.
Yeah.
But customers, you wanna
Customers.
Let's go for concert.
Concert?
Nepali danger.
where?
Here up there.
Maybe I'll come maybe in 10
This is danger temple.
temple. I see
Once
people
upon the time, you know, long time ago, here is the sacrifice the human.
inside here.
Yeah,
Oh wow.
really story.
Wow.
Here is a sacrifice human once a year.
Once a year.
And this god name is Nara Devi.
Nah, Devi.
Nara Devi because like man to eat.
Okay.
They're chopping before. Really. Now stop.
Maybe I'll go inside and have a look.
Yeah, but you cannot go inside, but you can see from outside.
From
This is a
outside.
really antique.
Okay.
And very really dangerous,
Yeah.
Devi.
Wow. So
होइन मान्छे चराउने है मान्छे काट्ने है यहाँ पहिला
I mean,
they
it's good.
also know, everybody know.
So it gives them good luck for the shop.
Huh?
The temple gives them good luck. The temple gives them good luck.
Yeah.
It brings more customers because of the temple.
No, when I come sometime here, you know, if I don't eat this,
Yeah.
I'm not satisfied.
So today you're satisfied. You're
I'm
very
very-
happy.
पहिलादेखि 10 रुपियाँ 20 रुपियाँ किने थोरै खानु तर यो खाएन भने चित्त बुझ्दैन यहाँ आएपछि खानुपर्छ
So today you're going home a happy man. Today you'll be a happy man when you go home. Happy.
I'm always happy.
But today extra happy. Extra,
Yeah.
extra happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take it
Okay,
easy.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, bye-bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care. Uncle.
So yeah, as I was saying, which one, the customers, which one do they prefer the most? Which one is the most
Oh, this
popular? This one's the most popular from customers.
Yeah.
And what is inside? Is there,
Flour
yeah,
and rice.
rice and so, oh wow. And how much is so one? How much is one?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. Okay. So people just buy one or they buy maybe 10, 20?
They buy how much they need.
Okay. And the thing you're making now, how much is this? Can I try one? How much is one?
As you can try
How much is one?
20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Yeah.
And what is it? I know sesame and seeds, and what else is inside this?
This is also made of flour
and rice.
Rice. Okay. And what is it called in Nepalese?
Anarsa.
Anarsa.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be trying Anarsa. Can I have one?
Yes,
A
you can.
fresh one. Okay, I have that one. So I'm just gonna try one that's been freshly made. It's steaming hot. And there's sesame seeds inside. And I've heard there's rice inside as well and flour inside as well. So let's give it a try. Really crunchy. I'll say that. It is crunchy. Not too sweet. Perfect, I'll say. And you can actually taste the sesame seeds inside it as well. There's a nice blend flavor into it. It just feels local, just sitting in the middle of the street and snacking away. There isn't too much issue here, because I know in some countries that if you're walking on the road, on the main road, you get a fine for it for jaywalking. I think that's what's called, jaywalking. But here, you can walk in the middle of the street, eat in the middle of the street, no an issue. It is really crunchy, really nice though. And what time do you open and close your store?
5 o'clock.
You close you.
5 a.m. Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, you
5
start
p.m.
5 a.m. and you close what time?
8
8. Wow, very long hours. Do you switch and shift? So maybe in the morning your mom works, then after you work in the evening, so you switch. Okay. And you two are sisters?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah. And the name, this shop has a name?
We don't have, but we are thinking for that.
What is the address of this name, of this shop? Is there an address?
Address.
Yes.
Nara Devi.
Say that again?
Nara Devi.
Nara Devi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nara Devi.
Nara Devi sweet shop.
Nara Devi sweet shops. It's unmissable, I'll say that. So yeah, that's me done at the pastry shop. I actually bought 3 extra ones and all of it came up to 70 rupees, and I tried giving them 100 and told them to keep the change. They refused. They said no, take the change back. So that's nice of them. So yeah, this is just a typical life here in Nepal, I suppose. That here just in a local area where I'm staying, it's not too touristy or anything like that. It's just normal everyday people just here, just working and trying to make a living. Buy this if you want this, if you want that. No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you.
Live long live.
No, thank you. Yeah. The guy tried putting something on my head. Not too sure what it is, but I know if you put on your head, you have to give him money. And yeah, so I wasn't looking for it, so yeah, that's why I just said no. But thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this little mini vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Yeah, there's a lot of interesting people here. Like, you never know what you're gonna come across, especially like just standing in the street corner. I feel like all the entertainment just comes to you, all the content just comes to you. Instead of you going out there to find it, it literally just finds you. That's what I've learned anyway from vlogging on the streets and stuff like that. It's much harder by you just walking around and trying to find things that's interesting. The best way to do is just stand somewhere and all the interesting things just gonna come to you. So where I'm staying, there is like a local shop just near my home, and the people there, they're really friendly. So the little pastry that I bought, I'm gonna ask them if they want to try it with me, and maybe I'll see their reaction, see if they like it or not. So I'm just walking there to the store where they work. There's like 2 girls, really young girls, so I'm just gonna go and ask them to try it or maybe eat it with me and we review it. So let's go.